Hello everyone, welcome to IT List. My name is Gaurav Bhardwaj. In this video, we will learn in detail about anonymous functions in Python, also known as Lambda functions. If you are not subscribed to this channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button in order to get notified about programming tutorials and technology updates. Let's get started. I'm in my Visual Studio Code, so before diving, I would like to tell you about Lambda Function. So Lambda Function is a small anonymous function. As of now, we have learned how to create functions using def keywords. Suppose I ask you to create a function of multiplication of two numbers, you will write it like this. So def multiply, and you will take two arguments, a and b, and after that you will return a multiplied by b. So when I will go ahead and print this multiply 2 and 3. So when I will execute this particular program, you will get an output of 6. So Python lambda.py, you will get an output of 6. If the same thing we need to write it with lambda function, it will be one line expression. So let's begin with the syntax of lambda function. Let me write down a comment of syntax, and the syntax of a lambda function is lambda. We need to write this keyword, and after that we need to specify arguments, and after that we need to specify this colon, and after that our expression will go here. So let's see how to do multiplication with lambda function. So we will write lambda, and after that we will specify our arguments, and the parameter list is a comma b, so we need to specify a comma b, and after that we need to specify this colon, and then we need to specify our expression, which is a multiplied by b. So a multiplied by b. So we can store this particular thing in another variable. Let's name it as mult. And for now, I am commenting this line of code. And when I will print this mult and run our Python program, you will get this lambda function. So if we specify arguments over here like 2 and 3, and when we will run this Python lambda.py, you will get an output of 6, which is exactly similar to this method. So now it is reduced to only one line. Moving ahead, the main advantage of lambda function is when we use that inside a higher order function. To demonstrate that effectively, let's take an example of a quadratic function. So I am getting rid of this line. So we will take an example of a quadratic function like f of x, which will be equal to ax square plus bx plus c. And later on we will calculate that with the different values like f of 0, then f of 1, and so on. So let's begin with this example. So we will create a function. So def quadratic function, and this will take 3 parameters, a, b, and c. So we'll pass 3 parameters here, a, b, and c, and this will return a lambda function. So it will return lambda of x, and the expression will be ax square plus bx plus c. So let's go ahead and call this particular quadratic function. So let's store it in a particular value because we are returning a lambda function. So when we will pass 1, 2, and 3, so this quadratic function will return a lambda function. So indirectly, this f will contain this lambda function. So when we will go ahead and print this f, and when we will run Python lambda.py, you will get a particular lambda function. So let's understand this. What is happening behind the scenes? So let me make a comment here, and when we will execute this quadratic function here, it will return a lambda function which will be lambda of x, and in place of a we pass 1, so it will be 1x square, so which is reduced to x square, and after that we are passing the value as 2, so it will be 2x, and we are passing c as 3, so it will be 3. So indirectly this f is equivalent to this. So when we pass f of 1 here, so 1 will go in place of x, and this will return 1 square, and 2 multiplied by 1 plus 3. So which will be equivalent to this 1, and this will be 2, and this will be 3. So let's go ahead and run python lambda func.py, and you will get an output of 6, which will be 1 plus 2 plus 3. So when we pass it 0 here, so it will be 0 power of 2, and then 2 multiplied by 0 plus 3, which is equivalent to 3. So let's go ahead and run this python lambda func.py. You will get an output of 3. So indirectly we can also execute like this. So when we will pass here 0, and this expression will return a lambda function, and we are passing 0 here, so it will be equivalent to that approach, but we just cut down the 2 step into 1 step. So when I will run python lambda func.py again, you will get an output of 3. So this is the main use of lambda functions. That's it for this video. If you have any queries or suggestions, please comment in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.